Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Perpetual Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Touchline.
Bona, nagere Tibo big up my out. I-TV yethu yenza ukuthi sibonise imbono yethu kwenza kanjani. Ngangithola yona ka. Namhlanje siwinile, sijabulile, akunankinga, mina nginankinga noKhadoso or noma ubani. Ngesiwinile. Sundowns. Ndangi.
Man of the match ubani ngaya.
Mina man of the match yami mfethu yazi esikhathini esiningi I would like to ukuthi ngibheke amagama amaningi but manje I think ngizoyinikeza ulo umfethu lo uSeyila Tshabalala. USeyila Tshabalala. The reason it's USeyila Tshabalala because when reach le gama leli from uSeyila, you understand? Umutawu bafethu best player, best right back la Africa. Bafethu big up Sandawana, sky's the limit.
Chiefs itezwa thathi.
Thathani.
Chiefs big number 2 and then also view 1. Chiefs big number 2 ka view 1.
I-Chiefs yayenza ikhapho eToyota yayiluza yonke into so manje ayithathe lutho ayithole ndix noma ngakora 4 abathole lutho thangi Touchline.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?